Hey y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in and welcome to my channel. Disregard what I'm looking like right now, okay? Because I have a lot going on today. But I'm still getting Vlogmas done for you guys. So today's Vlogmas video is going to be featuring this kit that we got from Big Lots. But today me and the kids are gonna go on ahead and quickly decorate these sweaters, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this is your first time checking me out. If it's not, make sure every video that you're looking at, you're thumbsing it up, leaving me a comment. It helps my page and my channel, and I'm just trying to do the dang thing with my YouTube. So thanks so much for clicking play, and let's get right on into this video. Going ahead and get these decorated. This kit includes assorted candy and easy to use icing. So I'm gonna just get that right there and let's get it open. So when you open up the little kit, it has 6 cookies in there. So we're just gonna slide this on out. I'm gonna show y'all everything that came in the kit. So of course there is some icing. We have another thing of icing. We have another red container of icing, and then we have the green icing. All right, you also have the little confetti candy. And there's another one. And we have the cookies. So we got 2 in each individual pack. So we have a total of 6. So I guess I'm gonna do one since I'm right here. Y'all wash y'all hands?
Yes, I already washed them.
Wash mine. Get dishes in, go in the dishwasher. Alright.
I want to use this.
Keep in mind it's only 1 white, 1 green, and alright, everybody gotta use this, so only a little bit, okay? Which one you want? Well,
I need to use.
just make sure you don't use it all. Alright, I'm finished with my first one. Y'all see how fast I finished that one? We should have did a challenge on who could do it the fastest.
No,
It would have been ugly too.
Brandon is coming along.
Yours is
It's called the ugly sweater. Y'all trying to be all cute.
Hey, I got mine.
London put in 1 by 1 of candies on hers. Beat the key in art class, and mine look like an angel.
No, it don't.
I'm talking about the outline,
No,
bruh.
it don't.
Yes, it do.
No.
Alright, y'all. So
Look like
hold it up like this so y'all can see it better. Okay, whatever. I guess I'm gonna do 1 more.
I need to. Okay.
Maybe I'll do this one cuter since y'all want to clown me and talk about me. So this time I'm gonna go in red if Brandon don't use it all.
Probably do.
I'm on my second cookie.
I don't even like these type of candies.
Me either.
I do.
Of course you do.
I eat all type of sweets.
So this is my second one. So this time around I gotta be different from them. This time around I am going to do this. Well, that kind of don't look right. I messed up. So we gotta improvise.
Do I know what I'm gonna
We are going to improvise, y'all. Mess up, it's okay. So guess what I'm finna do? So, I messed up. So what we're gonna do is, we finna tie-dye this thing. Y'all thought the first cookie looked bad? Wait till you see this one.
Ugh.
I need
That
red.
look like throw up, man.
Ew.
That's Snap. Ugh, I would not eat that, even though I don't care.
It's icing.
I wouldn't eat that. I ain't even a big fan of icing anyway. So
I need the white next.
I ain't huge into icing.
Give me the red one. I'm a noodle.
You did good. Brandon is working on his second one. Trying to get the first one. Okay, that's Brandon's first one.
Facts.
That's London's first one. These are both of mine. Hush, I don't want to hear nobody laughing in the comments. I never told y'all I was crafty. Never. These are Brandon's 2 cookies. Picked out the blue confetti and everything. I just dumped confetti.
That's what I did. I just sprinkled.
Ain't no way you just sprinkle blue and white only.
I poured. It's not only, you got like gold and red.
Okay.
And stuff.
And then this is your ugly one?
Yeah.
Oh, you did an ugly one and a cute one.
Because
I
y'all
did
nasty pink mess.
Okay, let's look at London. So, this one was really good until you messed up up there. You really did a good job.
Yeah.
But it's still really good. It's your personality. So this one right here, you looks like you just...
I just dumped it all on there.
You look like you just dumped it all on there.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I was in a rush because I want to put my iPad.
That's okay. And then y'all already saw mine. Let me show y'all the winners again.
No.
These are both of mine. Anyways,
First one look like throw.
I'm not gonna, my cookie does not look like throw up. Y'all are so extra. So y'all, we really enjoyed this. We didn't even use all of the stuff. All right, y'all, so we just finished our ugly sweaters. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop down in the comments. Let me know which was your favorite. That's Brandon's, that's London's, that's mine, or just drop a comment down below because we all did good. It was fun, fast, and we're probably not even gonna eat these because I don't think none of us like these type of cookies. What you about to do? Yeah, y'all see my kitchen? Yeah, we have a whole dishwasher. People don't like to use, yeah. And guess who left that cereal with the milk in there after I keep telling her not to? Yeah.
Look at the baby. He playing and he played with his McDonald's toy that his sissy gave him.
Okay, gotta go.